Hey, welcome to the bullwave.com weekend market update. It's 29th of August 2015. For more frequent updates, our website should be up and running this week. You can get our free subscriber letter. That'll be out at the end of every week, and it'll give you kind of a deeper look into what we expect from the markets. We will be offering services. You could get in there and get the early bird offers that we're going to have on offer. All right, let's get into the markets this week. First up is dollar yen. The overall thesis was this correction this summer is a correction. Wave A down, wave B up, and then wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're working on. I think we're starting on wave 5, if not now, very soon. This will be wave 5 of C. You can see wave 4 was a simple zigzag, wave 2 was a kind of contracting triangle. Wave 5 should bring us from the 120 down below this 117 low here of wave 3. So there's for subscribers there'll be a good 500 points there, a great selling opportunity, and we'll keep you up to date with that. There's gold. I think the new thesis is working out quite well. Wave 1 up, wave 2 triangle, wave 3 high in around the 16th there. Wave 4, I think you can move this label over here. And wave 5, now we've started this in the last week, the wave A down. I think you can see a wave B there is a simple zigzag, and we should get a 5 wave C into next week. There's an interesting selling opportunity here developing. We'll see how that plays out, but there's a very interesting buying opportunity here. If we see a 5 wave decline matching the decline here of around $45, I think wave 3 should take us from the low of wave 2. It should take us above the high, and if it's a wave 3, it should take us far above the high of wave 1 here. That'll be an interesting opportunity, and we'll see it develop. Now, move on to sp500 US market. It seems to be playing out okay. Wave 1 down, wave 2 kind of a expanded flat. Wave 3 low, and off that we've had an A, B, C symbol zigzag rally, a pretty powerful one. And I think we're probably reaching the end of that. I think next week we'll bring another sell-off, and we'll probably start touching the low of wave 3 here. And after that, we'll see how that low that brings us. Then there'll be a good buying opportunity. But right now, the outlook is for lower prices. The only thing that will change that is if we overlap this first the B wave low here, and then wave 1 high is a big no-no. So at a small degree, if you see a 5 wave 3 wave rally, 5 wave down 3 wave rally, then that's the selling opportunity that you want to look out for. Alright, move on to euro dollar. Here's an example of a rule break which has changed the trend. I think now we can rule out higher prices. The 117 high here, I think, was the end of the C wave. We were working on this as a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, or a 1, 2. Last week we called that high, and we had a lovely, 400 points there. For anyone who took that advice, you had a lovely 400 points there. We've had a 3 wave rally off that, and since this chart hasn't been updated, we had a dip below the low here, so it really did take out that high. I think that was a 4, 5 of 3, so you'll get a 4 or 5, and then there'll be a nice rally on euro dollar which should take us into the 115 high. So there'll be another probably 200-300 points there to be had. But I think it'll be a corrective rally. I think the overall trend has changed, and I think we'll see lower prices for euro dollar, which means confidence in euro is probably, and the European project has changed, and it doesn't augur well. We'll see how that plays out. Finally, crude oil. We had our blip below the wave 3 low here that we were talking about last week. Off that, we've had a big rally. So we'll see how this rally, see what course it takes. I'm still of the opinion that lower prices will come. If we get a kind of a corrective form here, I think this could be wave 4 of 5. So I think lower prices are to come. Something tells me that we'll get a kind of complex triangular one here, but we'll see. We'll let subscribers know. The action has kind of got out of this market for a while in my mind, but again, we'll see. So that is the weekend video. We will let subscribers know if you get your name down there. We'll keep you up to date with more more in-depth charts. So thanks for watching the video, and get over to bullwave.com, get your name down, and see you next week.